Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Rahul Kumar and I am basically from Bihar but currently staying in Delhi. I have completed my graduation in BCom Honors in 2021 from Chandigarh Group of College in Landra. After that completing my graduation, I looking for a job. I join and then I have joined eVision as per my friend's suggestion, uh, where I learn about the many things like about the networking, like basic networking, advanced CCNA, window administration, ITIL, network security, cyber security, and a sector. As in, they taught me a lot of things about the IT's related question as in very easy manner. The trainer of eVisions are very supportive and cooperative, uh, uh, supportive and very cooperative, and the teaching way of the eVision team members and IT recruiters are very awesome. After the completing of course, I got a place in IDS Infotech company private limited with the 2.81 LPA. For this, I am very thankful to eVision and all the eVision team members who support me a lot of things and taught me a lot of things. So thank you eVision for giving me this type of opportunity. So once again, thank you.